The rising star has been accused of killing two of his friends, also rappers, and then portraying the killings as a shooting in the Miami area. Testimony resumed at 9 a.m. today after a week's hiatus due to the July 4th holiday. Stan has completed interviewing crime scene detective and gunfight reconstruction expert Sergeant Christopher Williams on the last day of negotiations before halftime. YNW Juva's mother testified briefly and identified her son on surveillance video. He spent the rest of the day seizing more than 300 photos and videos as evidence. Judge John Murphy remained without testimony for a week and on Friday denied the state's request for a grand jury view of the car in which Anthony Williams, aka YNW Sacchusser, and Christopher Thomas Jr., aka YNW Juvie, died. "I don't think it's necessary," Murphy said of the state's request. Melly is accused of touring and being a gunman. In October 2018, Cortland Henry, aka YNW Bortland, YNW Melly's best friend, appeared at a Miami hospital and claimed his friends were killed in a shootout from a passing car. He said they were bleeding in his car, according to the rapper's arrest statement. Williams, known as YNW Sacchusser, and Thomas, known as YNW Juvie, were found dead with multiple gunshot wounds. Henry told investigators he was leaving the Fort Lauderdale recording studio with Williams and Thomas when a car stopped and began firing. Henry said he was able to dodge the bullets, but Williams and Thomas were shot dead. When police arrived at the scene of the crime, they found no evidence that a shooting had taken place. While officers were conducting the investigation, surveillance footage showed Melly, Henry, Williams and Thomas sitting together in Henry's car when Henry claimed a shooting had taken place. After reviewing phone records and blood spatter, investigators determined that the group was together the night of the crime and that the victims were killed in the car. Police arrested Melly in February 2019 on 2 counts of first-degree murder. If convicted of, Melly faces the death penalty.